I'm good either way. Either way. Good either way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nzinga Saren. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if it's not your first time and you've been rocking with me, thank you for rocking with me. Okay, so today, as you guys can see from the title, we are going hygiene shopping. It's been a while since I've gone hygiene shopping, and I've seen a few products on TikTok that I would like to try. So I am going to get a few new products, as well as I'm gonna re-up on my faves. So I think I'm gonna go to Target. So yeah, I'm about to leave out right now and head to Target, and I'll see you guys there. Yeah, I'm looking for this in shower lotion that I saw on TikTok. Looks like this, but the one for in the shower. Here it is. But this one is this is the cocoa butter one. So it's like they don't have the original scented one. But it's cool. I'm just gonna get this one. The shelves are empty. This is the only tree hut available. I've never actually tried this one. I'm gonna try it. Smells good. Yeah, smells good. I might get this one. This is not even body wash or anything. It just caught my eyes, but I don't want no hand wash, so the eucalyptus caught my eyes. Yeah, no, I already got these, so I want to try one of these, but which one? Maybe I should try one of the soaps, the bar soaps. Maybe I should do that, because I don't know which one of these. I'm gonna smell them all and see. This one is eucalyptus. You can't even just smell it. It's like seal. Yep, they're all sealed, so can't smell nothing. Since I can't smell it, I think I'm gonna go with the bar soap, one of these. But which one? What's this? Oh, this is eucalyptus. That's hemp, almond. What's this? Unscented. Should I get it unscented? And I don't want no hemp citrus. That's hemp rose. Hemp lavender. This hemp eucalyptus. Should I get a eucalyptus? I should just get an unscented, because I stay getting everything eucalyptus, bro. Should I? I'm gonna get the unscented. It's baby unscented. I have no idea. Dr. Bernard had lip balms. This is cute, but I don't need lip balms. I got bar soaps too. I had no idea they sell Urban Skin. Got mine from Ulta, I think. Have you tried any of these? Does these work? Does this vitamin work? Comment to let me know if they work. I want to try it. I am looking for a new shampoo and conditioner. And these are sulfate free. Wow. Should I conditioner for them? They also have this big one, 50% more. Wow, free shampoo bar. I've never seen this. I don't like that one. It smells like rose. I swear everybody and their mama in here today. This is not bad at all. Black tea, kombucha, and red ginger. Kombucha. It's not bad. It smells like something that I would drink. It smells like a juice. Apple juice with ginger. Jamaican apple or Tahiti apple. Wow. This smells good. Coconut milk. And white jasmine. Smells good. Wow, this is cute. I love the bottle. I love this. I'm gonna smell it. See if I like them. I love how the bottle looks. It's different. This kind of look like wood, but it's not wood. It's like a sticker. Stick on it. Yeah, there's so much people up in here. This one is not bad. I don't know. Get looking for a shampoo and a conditioner because I need to get one. Yeah, they got foam wash now. I had no idea they had these. This brand. And this one says period wash and daily wash. They're new. Okay. I'm gonna stick to my honey pot for that though. I like my honey pot wash. I have no problem with it. Do you see the difference? There's so much green ones. Yeah. Never get the green one. Never get the green one. I'm not sure about the pink one, but I'm gonna get the blue one. Yeah, I'm gonna try the blue one today. Yeah, I wanna get this Method body wash, but I can't find them in here. I saw that shit all over TikTok, but I can't find them in here. Let me find out the TikTok girls had that shit sold out. Like I see Dove, but no freaking Method. These are the Dove that I see. Should I just get a Dove? Should I stick to the ease that I know and get a Dove? This is my favorite. Cucumber green tea. Oh wow, maybe I should get a bigger one. I think I should get this. To be honest, guys, like these are like at Ross for like cheaper, mad cheaper than this Dove body wash. I always see them in Ross, but decisions. I'm gonna take this one up, and then heaven. So I'm gonna take this one up, and then I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just look still, see if I find the method one. But if I don't, I'm gonna get this. So let's go. Y'all know I like the body wash for this, the native body wash like this. But this specific scent, I had no idea they had the shampoo. I'm gonna have to smell this and then read it and see if I should try it. It doesn't smell like the body wash at all. It doesn't smell like... Oh, this is cucumber mint. The one that I have is eucalyptus mint. Okay, it smells like cucumber. It smells good. So let's see what's in it. It says salt, sodium salt. I don't think I want salt in my hair. We're gonna pass on that. But look what I found. I found the Meta body wash. I did. Oh. Wow, let me smell this. Wow. This smells like... This is raw sugar scrub. It's lemon. It smells like the scrub that I have from Lulu's Holistic. Yeah, it smells like lemonade. See, coconut mango. It smells delicious. It smells good. And this one is watermelon and fresh mint. Bro, but why is it $12.99? Bro, this smells like watermelon candy. Bro, what? Why are they $12.99 though? Doesn't they do the same thing that the Tree Hut do? That's just way too much. Yeah. But look what I found, guys. I found the Method body wash. Woohoo! Found them. I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna get. Whenever I used to shave, I would buy this brand, like the Soleil. I don't know if that's how you pronounce, but these are the ones that I would use. This brand. My favorite shaver. When I used to shave, I no longer shave, so they have all different kinds though. Smooth, comfort. That one says glide. A smooth scented. They also have sensitive advanced. But I no longer shave, so yeah. Alright guys, so I am back home. I'm just gonna give you guys a little haul, show you everything that I got. I only went to Target, by the way, so I'm gonna start off by showing you the products that I got for my hair first, and then we're just gonna move down just to make it a little easier for me. So I picked up this shampoo and conditioner, this brand. It's my first time gonna try these. I wanted the one for colored hair, because y'all know I got burgundy hair, but I can't find it. I saw it in Walmart once. I went back to Walmart. It's not there anymore. It's not in Target. It's not in Publix. It's not on Amazon. It's like they're all sold out of the one for colored hair. So I got this one for fine to medium curls, and this one has pure flaxseed, quenching coconut water, and shea citrus oil. So I'm gonna try these and I will let you guys know how I like them, of course. So the next product that I picked up is this hair oil by Miel. It says rosemary, mint, scalp and hair strengthening oil infused with biotin and encourage growth. Usually I would mix like my own oils in a bottle like this, but I'm all out and I've heard good reviews about this, so I saw it and of course I want to try it, so I got it. So I re-up on my mouthwash. I've never actually tried this flavor before, so I hope it's good, but we're gonna see. I'll let you guys know. So I've seen a lot of people talking about Dr. Bronner's, so I got their bar soap. This one says all-in-one baby unscented pure Castile bar soap. Y'all know I like to use a bar soap first before I go in with my body wash. So also my first time getting this product, so I'm gonna try it out, see if I like it. If I like it, then I will get it again. So yeah. Now as for this body wash, the TikTok girls rave over this one, so I got this one because of TikTok. TikTok have your girl in a chokehold. TikTok have me in a chokehold. Like, me just love TikTok. I'm always up on TikTok. I go on TikTok to spend 2 minutes, end up spending 20 hours. If you're on TikTok and you're a part of the Love to Black Girl algorithm, then you know this. The girl is be using this a lot on there. So I got this in the flavor Berry Balance. It said acai, mulberry, koji berry, and it smells really good. So I got this one. It smells good, so I'm gonna try this, and of course it's my first time trying it, so I am going to let you guys know how I like it. All right, I also got this Dove exfoliating body polish because I wanted to try it, and this one is the pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Wow, it smells amazing. It smells delicious. It smells like something that you could eat. So instead of getting a 3-hot scrub, I just decided that I want to try the exfoliating body polish by Dove, and I got it. Yeah, I know I love my Olay body conditioner, right? But the TikTok girlies be using this as well. This is the Nivea In Shower body lotion, and the one that I saw the girl is using is the original scented, but I got the cocoa butter one because the original scented was not available in Target. So I got the cocoa butter scented, and I also got the body butter in the same scent just to pair with this. So once I use this in the shower, I come out, I will use this body butter just to keep the thing going, you know. I just wanted to match it, so that's what I did. So now we're down to 2 products, and if you guys have watched my hygiene video, you guys would have known that this is the pad that I use, so I just re-up on it. Nothing different. I just got, it's the one with the 50, the ultra thin pads, chlorine free, organic. So this is what I use, and I wanted to try their tampon out, so I did pick up this one. It's a regular, comes with 30 in it, so I'll let you guys know how I like these as well. I really like the pads, so hopefully I like these too. But yeah, that's the last product that I got, guys. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. And if you guys saw like any other products that you are now currently using or that you have used in the past, I want to know what y'all think about them. Like, did you like them? How do you feel about them? Like, comment down below. I want to know. Like, I am interested. So chat with me down in the comment section. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do so. I will really appreciate that. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys so much again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Later.
Got a few things in mind, but you gotta help me know